Karibu sana mwanchi umurigeria tosanga sobuamo gochaka bona iga goika omoelio kwechaka amaya yebirebiga ni gotoko yachaka korwa sorgongo rwabusi asengo komenya buna Chigari cyaba MCA Batato bebunge ye county ya Kisii abo bare Boys Marura we ward ya Masimba Thomas Obare we ward ya Basi Witangare amana Nicodemus Omwamba we ward ya Chiburabu abo bakorokana kwambiriria obukurumi bogokorekana ase ebungeyo nabo igo obokoreri we serikali yo mugavana Simbarati nigo chiatirwe Amagoro emambia yelitkolia lero asama gacho yebungeyo nabantu batamanyiri ekero aba MCA bagendete nege ikaro ime yebunge ye county yo kwenekia egekoreki no mu OCPD wigetaseni ya Kisii Central Musa Imamai aseba chakiri obotuki elikomanya abo bayirira egekorekyo boikiranigwa ase baenekiringa Chigari cyo nigo cyabachigwa twa Amagoro nakugikiria egekorekyo korengana na Imamai nigo abaenekeire aba MCA abo buno burendi mbochigotingirwa na abo baikirania yo ngoimukirirwa barege tambukere getindi keri chiko asense moya aba MCA abo nigo baganire obotuki kwango iga nakobikwa byara naboigo oburendi bwabo gotingirwa muri kito Petro Machini nakira nasti nsemecho naboigo gotwaliganiria ayakobwatya
Monogeri bwebunge county ya Kisii Philip Nyanumba nigo yabetereria abutorege karo kyagendetsa sebunge yumambia yeritsukuria rero maiga yo kumanywa habna nigo Chigari chigati abo MCA chatirwa Amagoro asensemo yebunge yo emambia rero.
We were informed when we were on session. We came out as honorary members. We confirmed and we have called the security agency here. They are here. They are going to start investigating immediately because anywhere in the world, the assembly is the most protected area. We don't expect this kind of an event in the assembly.
Kuringana na aba MCA abo Chigari cyabo cyatwa Amagoro hamo no mu MCA bwodi ya Masimba Boss Maira mu MCA bwodi ya Basi Witangare Thomas Obare na bwo mu MCA bwodi ya Chiburabu Nicodemus Omwamba asibono bagikiriye egekore kina goteba nigo bakubuniwa asogusaba magendera si wodi cyabo ayo atrekeraniwa ase EGEKORE.
We were in the assembly with a normal plenary session, and my peer told me that we have people who have come, around 20 people who are in masks, and they have destroyed my car, that of Mheshimiwa Obare and Mheshimiwa Omwamba. I just want to call this matter ni woga. This is cowardice of the highest court, and some of us, we are not scared.
In the past 1 or 2 weeks, we've been calling out the corruption in Kisii County Assembly and in Kisii County at large. What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But I want to say that that's an act of cowardice. I have said before that I'm one person who doesn't fear anything, and I want to speak directly to the governor of Kisii County. Stop sending those people. Stop sending those boys.
Nalenga assembly the motive I don't know, but because I'm here and the security agency, they have come, they have promised to dig out and know what is the motive. The only thing I know in Kisii County, I'm elected from Chiburabu, and I've been championing for my people to get the development which is not there.
Komanda wa wanyanyimbo wegetsenigya Kisii Central Musa Imamai nigo aika sechinsemecho na bwigo kwenekia EGEKORE asibono nyako bagakubika teneni nigo abaratiko korobotuki boima ire kubeka byara abaikirania EGEKORE.
County Assembly is a designated place that we would not want to see something like that happening. It's an incident that has happened, and in our response, we are going to, I would have assured the County Assembly members that as we secure the County Assembly, we are also investigating a matter that has occurred here with the seriousness that it deserves, because it is not something that we would expect it to happen in a designated place like this. And beyond that, we are also scaling up this security just to ensure that something like that does not happen in future. But in the meantime, we'll get to the bottom line and find out who are involved in that heinous act and the motive of the action that has occurred here a few minutes ago.
Asibono aba MC abo Chigari chiabo chatu Amagoro baburire obutuki obugokorwa na kugayanwa sobwango elio banyako bakubekera oborende bwisaine.
But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives. Because the security agencies have been here and have made a statement, we want to trust that they will be able to bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive.
To the people who did this, I know and have been informed, reliably informed, that it is a nominated MCA who was coordinating these boys. This is cowardice. I have been in this game. And I want to ask the security agencies to act. If they don't act, we will act.
Bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive.
To the people who did this, I know and have been informed, reliably informed, that it is a nominated MCA who was coordinating these boys. This is cowardice. I have been in this game. And I want to ask the security agencies to act. If they don't act, we will act.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kurasi bunge ye kaunti ya Kisii, Chempethuel Machin.